Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access and remove the valves in an overhead valve engine. To begin, I'll need to remove some components from the engine, and this will vary depending on the engine you're working on. In the case of this engine, I'll need to remove the starter, the air filter and air filter cover, the carburetor, fuel tank and shroud, and the muffler. Before starting the repair, I drained all the fuel from the fuel tank and I drained the oil out of the engine. Now remove the spark plug wire and the spark plug. Next, I'll remove the valve cover. And now I can remove the head. Now I have access to the valves. I'll remove the valve that I need to replace. To do that, I'll compress the valve spring and remove the keeper. And now I can remove the valve.